Darryl, can you explain why we're in this situation?
It wasn't even me.
It was you.
It was that
God. You cunt.
Oh fuck, I just did my back. Oh!
Tack's good.
Where's my sting? It's like in the... Is it good or is it wrapped up in the side? It's wrapped up in like the jib stuff. Or the kite stays. Or the ball stays. There you go.
It's not mine to me, team. I've had it up.
I've got weight. Pull it on!
No! I've got you. Come on, pop it. Or I'll pop it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Go. That's it.
My sheet, yes.
Middle ball. Hey!
Go.
Go. Yeah, that's it. Alright, get out. Go!
Holy shit. The jib's fucked.
Never been this calm in my life.
Holy shit. Yes. Yep.
Woo!
I'm filming. Look at me for half a second.
Alright, get the highlight reel.